Japan's technological prowess is once again on display with the unveiling of the K-Racer X2, a revolutionary unmanned helicopter drone poised to redefine aerial cargo transport. This isn't just another drone, it's a game-changer, boasting an unprecedented payload capacity of 440 pounds, 200 kilograms, a feat that solidifies its position as the most powerful cargo drone ever developed within Japan. The implications of this technological leap are far-reaching, particularly for a nation like Japan, where challenging mountainous terrain presents significant logistical hurdles. For decades, transporting supplies to remote mountain villages, maintaining critical infrastructure in these areas, and responding effectively to natural disasters have been hampered by geographical limitations and a shrinking workforce. The K-Racer X2 offers a potent solution to these persistent problems. The drone's remarkable lifting power is derived from a powerful engine adapted from Kawasaki's renowned H2R hyperbike, a testament to the synergy between seemingly disparate fields of engineering. This powerful engine, coupled with advanced flight control systems, enables the K-Racer X2 to navigate the complex and often unpredictable conditions inherent in Japan's mountainous landscape. But the drone's capabilities extend far beyond simply overcoming geographical barriers. Its robust design and impressive payload capacity make it an ideal solution for a wide range of applications, including disaster relief operations, where swift and efficient delivery of essential supplies can be the difference between life and death. Furthermore, its potential extends to the construction and agricultural sectors, offering a more efficient and cost-effective means of transporting materials and equipment to otherwise inaccessible locations. Kawasaki, the driving force behind this innovation, is committed to bringing the K-Racer X2 to market. Currently undergoing rigorous testing, the company is also actively developing automated loading and unloading systems to further enhance the drone's operational efficiency and practicality. The successful mass production and widespread adoption of the K-Racer X2 could dramatically reshape the landscape of cargo transport, not only in Japan but potentially globally. This innovative technology promises to deliver significant improvements in efficiency, reliability, and cost-effectiveness across a multitude of industries, ushering in a new era of aerial logistics. The K-Racer X2 is more than just a drone, it's a symbol of Japan's commitment to technological innovation and its potential to address some of the world's most pressing logistical challenges.